Is your Tripp Suitcase wheel damaged or worn out? We're here to guide you through replacing the components step by step. So here's how to replace the wheel on your Tripp Suitcase once you have the spare parts. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and the replacement wheel. To locate the screws for the wheel, open the lining of your suitcase. At the bottom of the suitcase is where you will find the screws to the wheels. They may be covered with some tape, so go ahead and peel that back. Now you have access to the screws, use your screwdriver to simply unscrew them. Align the new wheel and secure it by screwing it into place. Give the wheel a quick test to make sure it's secure. Once done, zip up the lining and you're good to go. Now you're ready to test your suitcase to ensure the new wheel functions properly. Your Tripp Suitcase is now ready for your next journey.